Well, no doubt about it. It is a hot one out there today in Denver, across the Front Range, across the state for the most part. And in fact, we actually have a near record high temperature already for us here in Denver. I'll show you that here in just a second. Now, in terms of the actual forecast, you can kind of almost see it here on this view from Lookout Mountain. Notice on up into the mountains, starting to see those clouds really thicken on up. A lot of mid to high level clouds. That is monsoonal moisture streaming in. But into the Denver area, mostly sunny skies at this point, and that's thanks to some downsloping winds that is warming us out and drawing us on up. But eventually, those clouds from the mountains will win out and lead to some showers and some storms for today and throughout much of the weekend, especially on Sunday. So let's kind of sum this up for you. Today, it's really hot. We do have a chance for storms here in Denver. Main time window would be between about 4 and 8 o'clock this afternoon and this evening. So you got happy hour plans, have an indoor alternative. And then this weekend, widespread storms in the mountains and southern Colorado. But for the Denver area and northern Colorado, our main chance for storms this weekend will be on Sunday. Now, temperatures right now, it is hot out there. During the noon show, I was outside twice and I sweat through my makeup twice. So tells you that it is pretty hot out there already. 95 for us here in Denver. Our record for today, 99, and we could get there. 97 already in Sterling, 97 Ray, and 97 on up into Sidney, Nebraska. Now, starting to see some of that monsoonal moisture stream on in. That is leading to the development of some showers and storms for the collegiate peaks here in south central Colorado, and then up by the flat top, starting to see some storms develop as well as into the foothills west of Denver. Now, another thing, it is Friday afternoon, so a lot of you probably starting to make or already have made some of those camping outdoor plans for this weekend. Folks, avoid the burn scars this weekend. So the Cameron Peak, the East Balsam, the Williams Fork, the Calwood burn scars will all unfortunately have an elevated risk for flash flooding all 3 days this weekend, especially today and Sunday, but all 3 days will have a risk for some of that flooding. So again, avoid those areas, those canyons that offshoot from them. We did have those flash flood fatalities just a couple weeks ago from those for people who are camping out near one of the burn scars. So again, please avoid those burn scar areas this weekend because we do have that threat for flash flooding. Meantime, 6:30 tonight, we do have those showers, storms, mainly in the mountains. Denver area, I'm going to call it about a 30, maybe a 40% chance at a shower or storm today. Better chance as you head on up into the foothills and certainly as you head on up into the mountains. So again, 6 o'clock today, 1 or 2 storms for us in the immediate metro area. Better chance as you get into the mountains and the foothills, and not expecting any severe weather, by the way, but we could get a quick downpour, quick flash of lightning, and those shower storms should clear out fairly quickly. But again, higher chance for some of those showers and storms in the foothills, and that's also, by the way, where they could last a little longer. So for today, temperatures near 100 degrees with that 30, maybe 40% chance at a shower or storm. By the way, I'd call it about a 60, 70% chance for showers and storms from kind of Conifer on west. Better chance into the foothills. Best chance will be, again, between about 4 and 8 o'clock. Also looking at an air quality advisory that is in place for ground ozone, air quality alert, I should say, for the Front Range. That goes until 4 o'clock today. Avoid, again, spending prolonged periods of time outdoors today, and avoid filling up on gas until about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. Those typical precautions for these kind of bad air quality days. Now for today, again, a few spots here, 100 plus into the eastern plains, mountains, a lot of 80s and 90s for us. Tonight, temperatures drop back into the upper 60s, storms mainly before 8 o'clock. Winds a little bit breezy at times, 10 to 20 miles an hour for us. Tomorrow, less wind and also lower temperatures. We'll only, it's still above average, but we're only going to top out at 90 degrees for your day tomorrow. Late storms, but it's going to be a lower chance for storms tomorrow here in Denver compared to today. Today is going to have a better chance for storms than tomorrow. Then Sunday, we're going to see a much higher chance for storms here in Denver. So tomorrow, a lot of 90s, even some low 100s for us on the eastern plains, a lot of 70s and 80s on up into the mountains, mid-90s for us out in Grand Junction on the western slope. Shower storms mainly into southern Colorado for our day tomorrow, especially from the Palmer Divide on south. Collegiate Peaks, as well as the San Juans, the Sangre de Cristos, going to have some fairly widespread showers and storms. Denver area, again, I think we got a fairly low risk for showers and storms here in town, but that elevates. We'll see a surge of monsoonal moisture as we get into a Sunday, and that will lead to more of those showers and storms as we get into the back half of your weekend, and that will also, by the way, cool us down significantly for your Sunday. So I'll step out of the way so you can take a look at that 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, 90 degrees. It's going to be, again, scattered, maybe even I would call it isolated showers and storms for a day tomorrow. Then for your Sunday, we really drop those temperatures, just the low 80s for us. And then we rise those temps back up to around 90 degrees for your Tuesday, and we're back into the low to mid 90s for us for the end of the week. And final stat for you here, folks. So far this summer, we've had an average temperature here in Denver of 74.5 degrees. This is our second warmest summer to date on record, and we'll probably continue to boost this number as we head through the next few days. The warmer than average week expected for most of next week. We did get that brief cool down for your Sunday and your Monday. Hopefully that answers all your weather related questions. Again, top takeaways: hot today, cooler for your Sunday in particular, and then we warm back up for next week with showers and storms in the Denver area, mainly for your day today and for your Sunday, and avoid the burn scars in the mountains with that elevated risk for flash flooding. Meteorologist Danielle Grant will have an update coming up at 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10 here on the 9 News family of networks. I'm Meteorologist Chris Bianchi, and have a great rest of your Friday and rest of your weekend.